Well, we're going to debut the Save Club app that you can download on your cell phone. I use the Samsung S25 Ultra. You guys, there's a million cell phones out there, iPhones and the other 500. But yes, when you have an app and it's designed to fit your screen more proper, it's going to be so easy to just go ahead and for free download the app, click the Save Club button on your screen, and just sit there and scroll. Discount tire. Boom, I need tires. Hey, I'm going to go to Wendy's. Let me see if I can save a couple bucks on something that's probably going to not be so good for me, like a Frosty or a hamburger. Okay? Do you want Sirius XM? All right, I saved on Sirius. I love Sirius XM. I love talk radio. I love music. I love everything about Sirius XM. It's awesome. Palm of my hand. I Bluetooth this everywhere. Yes, Sirius XM is inside this Save Club. Okay, now the app. How are you going to find it? Well, if you have Google or iPhone or Samsung like I have, in my case, I'm just going to go to the Play Store. You know, the little arrow, I click it, and I'm going to search for Save Club, and you'll see our logo. And then boom, you're going to download it. You're going to put in your username and your password and just log in, just as easy as you are right now if you've already joined. Go to saveclub.com, and you'll see how easy. You log in, there's a button that says My Deals. Go there and save. And if you want to be an affiliate, that's where the money is. I'm telling you straight up, you need to join now. We hardly have any affiliates, but we have thousands of people signing up as members. Well, members can only sign up with affiliates. So you got 60 bucks. I had 320s. I invested it. If you want to join for the year, you'll be VIP and you'll make even bigger commissions. I've already made about $5,000 over the last couple months. I've saved over 900, and with my funnel system, I've made an additional 1,500 bucks that's recurring. I have people left and right making me money. Even though they're not signing up with Save Club, they're signing up with the funnel because everyone is stuck. Well, don't be stuck. I'm telling you straight up, most people are going to get stuck with ideas. I don't know how to train. I don't know how to present something to where it sounds interesting. I don't have pictures. I don't have video. I don't want to do video. Well, don't worry about it. SaveClubFunnels.com. Please go there. If you've already joined Save Club, don't worry about it. You can just go ahead and get the funnel. It's only 25 bucks, guys. That's all it is. But don't get stuck because you're never going to follow through. You're just going to enjoy savings as a member, and that's okay. But you want to be an affiliate. Why not earn some money? You know, the first 3 people that sign up, you get 60 bucks. And that's all you're going to pay to join as an affiliate. All right, $19.97 a month. It's only 20. You have full access to the God, I'd say about 70,000 deals already. And then next couple months, we're going to open up countries all over the world. And probably within 12 months, we should be worldwide in every city, every state, every country, millions of deals. And it's the only savings club that is international with an affiliate opportunity. But guys, we're only 27 days old. So please look into this. If you're watching my video and you're stuck, go to saveclubfunnels.com. There's a video that is 20 minutes. It over-explains Save Club, what it is, how do you do it, the membership, it's this much. We're going to invite you to 2 of the biggest private invite-only clubs. We dominate the leaderboard. We have the most material, the most videos, we have the most fun, and your opportunity to kick butt, I think, is by joining a team. Now, you probably joined under somebody, and they probably recruited, and they probably do really well. But if you join me, you're going to join a team. You're going to have a group, all right, to kind of lean into. All right, put your hand out. Come on, we'll help you out. You're not going to get stuck. Not with the thousands of pictures, literally, and the hundreds and soon 1,000 videos that you can upload to Instagram. You can go to TikTok. I don't know, just send somebody something like, hey, watch this. That's all I do. I like to do videos like this where you can kind of get to know me a little bit, see what kind of fashion I'm going to be wearing, like this badass tank top of my friend's band. Okay, but I love doing video, but most people don't. Don't worry, we have tons of videos. Those little 10 to 15 second ones that you can TikTok and rock with are the long form ones. And please share our webinars and our Zooms because they're neutral. They just promote the membership and the affiliate opportunity. And at the end, you just put, guys, if you're interested for more information or you want to join, click here. They put their email and their name in, and boom, you open up the Save Club email and join from there. That is it. Ugh, I just wish everybody could kind of just pop in my small little pea brain real quick and just envision the opportunity that you have in front of you right now. Okay? Were you there in the beginning like William Shatner? Yes, the actor. When Priceline said, hey, I'll give you 30% ownership. Shatner had no idea it'd go on to be like $1 billion company. I think he sold out all his shares because he didn't believe in it, I read. How about Orbitz? You ever heard of Groupon? Boy, in America, you sure have. This is the beginning stages of a worldwide saving club. That means, yes, if you're going to fly to China or you're going to fly to Malaysia, maybe you're going to go down under to Australia and New Zealand. What's going on over there, mate? Okay? I think Australia looks fun. I've never been there. I'd love to. Iceland, Greenland. How about go above me up to Alaska a little bit, see Canada? I go down to Mexico. There's a lot of countries that are going to be inside this club. Just about every country except the obvious ones that are too busy fighting and screaming and just whatever. But if you're a country that has something pretty darn cool and you want people to come to your business and save, then I have a darn good feeling that Save Club is going to be in your country, in your city, in your state. Okay? We are primarily in America right now, but we will expand. Just give us time. We're only 27 days old, guys. But you need to lock in now. This is not a big investment. It's $60 plus 20, so for $79.97, lock in as an affiliate now. Let's build the cement. Let's build the foundation. We're going to build the building, and then we're going to get people inside, and that's the businesses that offer you savings and opportunity to fly, to drive, to eat, to fix your car, to fix your teeth. I don't know, to make you feel better, go to the gym. There's about 75,000 deals already in there now. But I'm talking to you over in Portugal. Yes, I'm talking to my friends in Malaysia, China, Japan. And I want to get a big old string of people. South Africa's kicking ass, and so are a handful of people in Australia. This is a worldwide thing. We're in the beginning stages. So get excited, okay? And just relax at the same time. But I need you to just click a link and watch a 20-minute video. It is a funnel. I'm going to offer it to you for $25. Everybody usually joins Save Club under a person, and then they get stuck. Well, I want you to join my team. You're going to join 2 private invite-only teams. We have more training, more video. We can help you have people duplicate. We need people to do what you're going to do. Sign up, first of all. Learn how to save. That's a no-brainer. It's easy. But we need you to not only become an affiliate for $60, but how to be one with your actions. What do you do as an affiliate? How do you present something that's so interesting people click a link and watch a video and join? Okay, that's the million-dollar question, right? Well, we have thousands of videos, thousands of pictures and animated banners and GIFs, okay? 24-hour support. Guys, when you join our 2 private invite-only Facebook group pages, you can go in there anytime and ask questions, mostly about marketing. And we have customer support with the business. All right, if you have problems signing up with cryptocurrency or maybe your Visa card, maybe you have a question about the website design, there's full support, okay? Now, what do you do? What do you do? I'm going to show you what you do. This is so easy. I wish I could make it more fancy so I could come off as a rocket scientist, but guys, at the end of the day, all I do is invite people to click this link, saveclubfunnels.com. If you have a question, there's my email address. I get these business cards for $22 at Vistaprint. I picked the red one with the little car in the background. You can see that little silhouette. And I put white font. And when I buy a domain from GoDaddy, I like to capitalize the S, the C, and the F. So you can kind of see saveclubfunnels.com. It's pretty easy, right? Well, just go there, fill in your email, click the orange button, and that's it. And let the video do everything to see if it convinces you to join. Because 104 people have decided to join my team because of the funnel you're going to be looking at. If you're already in Save Club, don't worry about it. It's $25. If you've not joined Save Club yet, you'll see a button that says Join Save Club, and then get the funnel. Super easy. That's the trick to this business. KISS. Can you see that little lamp? Keep it simple, silly. And that's what I do. That's why I bought Kiss lamps. That had nothing to do with my addiction to the band Kiss. Well, except for that fountain right there. Oh, and the custom-made drum set right there. Oh, and the little Gene Simmons right there. and oh yeah, the Kiss lava lamp. Oh, and the Kiss action figure. I'm a little bit of a Kiss maniac. So if you're in the Kiss Army, my addiction to buying their crazy stuff, I don't need to explain to the Kiss Army fans like myself. So, all right, guys, there it is. SaveClubFunnels.com. All right, come aboard, man. Let's have some fun. Okay, you guys have a good time. And if you have any questions, Cory@CoryDraper.com. I'll help you if I can, okay? Thanks for watching my videos, guys, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Take care. Bye.